Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic economy. Okay. As we are discussing the first chapter of microeconomics, so in starting we talk about the meaning of economics. So what is economics? Is that branch of study in which we discuss how scarce resources can be utilized at a optimum point, that producer get maximum profit, consumer get satisfaction and society get welfare. Then we talk about the what is the meaning of scarcity, that we are saying resources are limited, so a problem of choice arises. Then we talk about the choice. Then we discuss about the micro and macro. What is micro, then what is macro, difference between the both. Then we talk about the positive economics and normative economics. Okay, so today economy, as economics we already talked. So what is economy? What do you think? What is economy? As a teacher I am teaching you. Okay, doctor perform his services, doctor give his services to the people, to the patient. Okay, so doctor go to the hospital for the treatment of the people, teacher go to the school for teaching the students. Okay, industrialist go to the industry, like that farmer go to his field. Okay, why they all go to their own work? Yes, the answer is same for all. Why? Because they all want to earn their living. Okay, so there are different economic activities. These are performed by different people, like teaching is performed by teacher, treatment of patient that is handled by doctor, farmer grow the grain in his field. Okay, industrialists do the production in the industry. So there are different economic activities, and all these economic activity are performed by different type of people, or we can say different work is given to the different people. So why all these economic activity take place? Because there is a system in the economy, and in that system people earn their living. Okay, so we can say, what we can say, economy means economy is a system of different economic activities in which people earn their living. Okay, so we can say economy is a system of different economic activity in which people earn their living. Okay, then we have types of economy. Types of economy, you must have studied in your SST subjects these types of economy. You must be familiar with the types of economy, but just for the sake of your knowledge I am explaining here. Okay, as we have talked that different economic activity are performed by different people, like that only different country having their different economic system. Okay, like India having different economic system, developed countries having different economic system, underdeveloped countries having different economic system. So mainly there are three categories, type of economies are given. First is central planned economy. Okay, central planned economy. Second is market economy. Third is mixed economy. Third is mixed economy. So different types we have given. first, central planned economy, or we can say controlled economy. So in these type of economy, there is full control of government on the rule and regulation, or we can say on all the economic activities. Okay, so all the economic activity are fully under government control. All economic activities are under fully government control. Okay, so government take all the decision related to production and all rule regulation. So these example of these type of economy are, example, we can take example, Russia, China. These are the central planned economy, or we can call, in SST you must have study socialistic economy. So these economies are called socialistic economy, where resources, or we can say all the economic activities are under fully government control. Then we have market economy. Market economy is that economy in which government have no control, or we can say very little control over the economic activity. Okay, in market economy, government have no control, or very little, very low control of government. Okay, so USA, for example, USA economy, UK economy, USA economy, UK economy, these are the example of market economy. Okay, and these are also called capitalist economy, that you have studied in your SST. Capitalist economy. Capitalist economies are those economy in which there is little, very low control of the government on the all the economic activity, or we can say on the resources. Okay, so this type of economy we can say in the developed countries like USA, UK. Then the third one, that is called mixed economy. So firstly, can you tell me, can you give me an example of any country which is have mixed economy? You must have studied in 10th or 9th, in 10th class you have studied this mixed economy. So mixed economy is that economy in which government control is नोर इट इज हाई, ज़्यादा होता है गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल, ना ही कम होता है. ओके, मीन्स प्राइवेट एंड गवर्नमेंट बोथ प्ले इक्वल रोल इन द इकोनॉमी. सो नो देयर इज हाई कंट्रोल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट और नो very low. It is called moderate control. We can see moderate control of government. So moderate control of government, we can say India is an example. Indian economy is an example of mixed economy. There is moderate control of the government. Okay, so this is called mixed economy, whereas government control is not very high or not very low. So students, we have discussed about the meaning of economy. So economy is a system in which different economic activity take place, and by this economic activity people earn their living. Okay, then we have talked types of economy. First is capitalist, or we can say central planned economy. So all the decisions are taken by the central government. We can say means owner is government only. All the decision will be taken by the government. So Russia and China, these are the example of capitalist economy, central planned economy, and also called control economy. Then market economy, there is no control of government, or we can say government control is very low. So that is capitalist economy and market economy, we can say. Then mixed economy, government control is not very high nor very low. Okay, moderate control of the government. So both private and government sector play equal role in the economy. That is mixed economy. So students, we have completed first chapter of our microeconomics. This first chapter will be syllabus of your pre-midterm test. Okay. So if you are opting for economic subject, then prepare first chapter carefully for pre-midterm that will be held in after summer vacation. Okay. So read the chapter, watch the video. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.